Hey guys, so I'm coming to you with my natural hair. Alright guys, so this is what my hair looks like. It looks like a little fro. I'm going to add these products. Cream of Nature, Moisture Recovery Leave-In Curl Milk. Put a little bit in my hand. Comb it through, brush it through. And then I'm going to add some of this. And I got that from Walmart. And this is Placenta Super Strength Leave-In Conditioner Treatment. I got this from Sally's. This is great for putting protein back in your hair. You see that, guys? How it reverts. Now I'm gonna take some mousse. And I got this from, y'all didn't see that. I got this from Walmart or Target, whichever one you want to go to. And it's Cream of Nature styling mousse. And then I have this, which is a jelly. I got this from the Dollar Tree. You can use Extreme Gel or Eco Styler, whichever one. You just use that. And just let that sit for a little bit. And then I'm gonna grab my cream. And I'm also gonna do my hairline, so keep watching. Alright guys, so this is what's going on. I got some edge control. It's barely there. And I use this on my eyebrows too sometimes. Alright guys, so what you do is you do inward motion, pull towards you. There you go. Inward motion, push through. Alright guys. This looks nice. Alright guys. And then just go over it a little bit more with the protein spray. And there you have it. My hair is done. I'll be back with my makeup.